Hi everyone, welcome back to the Schwowin's Nest. Today I am participating in a useful DIY challenge. It's hosted by Momdas Handmade and her co-host is Lisa Burningham. Both of these ladies do some really wonderful DIYs and decorating. You really need to go check out their channels along with the playlist link. These ladies asked us to make something with a Valentine's theme that would be useful to someone. So I've taken this cookie jar or canister, it has a lid to it, and I'm going to paint over this French label on the top and make it a sweet treat jar. I had just used a permanent marker to draw the outline of the heart, and now I have a little bit of Rust-Oleum white chalk paint in the bottom of a can. I've added some red acrylic paint to get the pink color that I want. And what I'm going to do is just give this canister in the shape of a heart 3 nice coats. I had to use 3 coats because the lettering was coming through. I'm going to write the word sweet treats onto the heart. It's completely dry now. And the strategy I use to make sure I get my lettering in the center is start with the middle letter of the word. So for the word treats, it's actually the A. So I'm going ATS and then I move backwards and do the rest of the lettering. The word treats, I'm actually doing a little bit of a Ray Dunn lookalike font, and I'm just making it a little bit thicker so you can see it better. So for the word sweet, I just went on to Pinterest and typed in the word sweets and treats, and this is what I found. I really like the way the word sweet is at the top with the cross of the T going across towards the back. I just thought it was cute. So I'm going to do my best to freehand it. I really liked how it looked, but I thought it needed a little bit more. So I'm taking my chisel tip Craft Smart paint pen, which is the wide tip, and I'm just going around the outside of the heart to outline it. With the little button knob on the lid, I'm going to go ahead and put a nice little heart in there and then just color it in. Once I was done with the lid, I decided to add some hearts onto the large heart too. I added a few other little embellishments as well, and then I'm giving just the heart shape a couple of coats of matte Mod Podge just so the paint doesn't chip off. I'd like to thank Momdas and Lisa for hosting this challenge. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to get notified when I upload new content. Thanks for watching.